American Micro Industries is the corporate entity. That is what we call our corporate umbrella. Under that is the division of custom components, which is the electrical insulation division and the division that started it all. Soundproof Cow is also underneath that umbrella as our soundproofing division. That was started in the early 2000s and has begun to grow and expand unlike anything we ever would have dreamed of. Soundproof Cow is a leader in the soundproofing industry because of our commitment to excellence, always going above and beyond to find the best solution for the problem at hand.
The Soundproof Cow division consists of three main areas. We have a sales floor, a panel manufacturing area, and a warehousing distribution area. Panel manufacturing manufactures from start to finish all of our upholstered, fabric-wrapped panels. The warehouse does all the housing for distribution materials, construction supplies, and the sales floor is where the sales team and offices are located.
Our custom acoustic panels are a wonderful option because of the high quality materials that are used, whether you're talking a fabric wrap panel, an imagery panel, perhaps an adapt panel that has a frame and a removable skin that can be changed out, or our high-end ecotone panels. There's many different options that are tailored to meet each specific need, which makes them a very unique choice and a very beautiful post-construction choice for soundproofing. We strive to use American-made raw materials and to also strive to use eco-friendly materials to ensure that we're offering the best product that is safe for not only the environment, but supports the American economy.
Soundproof Cow specializes in everything from the one-time DIY weekend project here up to large commercial jobs that may be complete truckloads. Standard for panel manufacturing is typically 3 to 4 weeks. Soundproof Cow has the ability to manufacture large quantities and very quickly. We strive to meet that need in 7 to 10 days.
Michael E. Lehman, our founder, started Custom Components, and he always lovingly referred to what we make as gazintas, because everything we make goes into something. He had a passion and a drive for customer service, and we continue that to this day, and we deliver products on time, on budget, and on spec.
Custom Components consists of a machine shop where we have 4 Fidel machines. We also have industrial presses and a custom soldering area for the components that they manufacture. We specialize in machining non-metals. Typically it's going into another part. We make it specifically for a customer specification.
We have amazing products, we have amazing customers, and we have an amazing group. And when you put that combination together, it really shows in what we do, and it's very easy to be passionate about something that is so enjoyable to do. Our staff here at American Micro Industries is fabulous, a very close-knit group. We are very family focused, and we are a family here. And when they are happy about where they are, they're going to do a better job, and they're going to be going above and beyond, not only for those that they work for, but the customers that we're delivering to. Most of our customers come through us through our websites, AmericanMicroIndustries.com and SoundproofCow.com. We do have online contact us forms that allow you to upload images for specifications, as well as contact us forms where it's just questionnaires. Tell us about your problems.
We really strive to make sure every phone is answered by a person, and our team really strives to create that personal experience for each customer, listen to their specific needs, and accommodate and create a reasonable expectation and meet those needs. American Micro Industries strives to provide unique solutions and a remarkable customer experience.
We invite you to contact American Micro Industries to see the difference for yourself, and we thank you from our family to yours.